We got this stunning look, guys. This stunning look from this. Imagine from this to this. Look at how stunning that is. Let's get right into it, guys. Let's not waste time. Step number one is always to gel your hair back. Use a gel that is strong for your hair type. The gel I like to use is for dreads because it holds really well. So I'm going to take my edge brush and I'm going to use the comb side of it to comb it back. This is very important. Don't use the brush side, use the comb side. After we've applied the gel all over the front, we're going to use our blow dryer to make sure that the product goes in. You don't have to use high heat. You can use normal heat. It's okay with the blow dryer. So this is step one. Also, guys, remember, we're not doing a glue install today. I don't do glue installs. You don't need to do glue installs to get a look that looks like a glue finish. By the way, it also lasts when you don't use glue. It doesn't mean that it won't last if you don't use glue. No, 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 no. So yeah, now I'm just putting on some hair food just to make sure my hair is moisturized. And then we're going to go in with some powder. You can use concealer or foundation just to match the color of your wig cap or your lace to your skin. By the way, guys, I am going to be using a wig cap today. I usually don't. You don't have to wear wig caps under wigs. I feel like they cause unnecessary pressure, especially because this is not a glue install, so you don't really need a cap. But for today, we'll be wearing the cap. So as you can see, I'm just going in and just applying some of that powder concealer on my wig cap. I'm also going to apply it on the inside of my wig. So you see, guys, I'm just laying it in. I'm laying it in thick so that we can eat this look. We need to eat it, guys. You don't have to always rock frontals the whole time. Like, closure wigs are good too. They're really good too. By the way, this is step two. I forgot to say that this is step two. Always put your color foundation inside your wig, and then you can spray with holding spray and blow dry it so that the color stays on your lace. The reason why this step is very important is because you want it to blend with your skin, and you don't want to apply the foundation after you've installed because it's going to give like a cakey look. So step number one, let's go through it again, is to gel your natural hair back using an edge brush. Step number two is to use your color foundation or concealer powder on your lace on the inside. And yeah, I prefer foundation color. I feel like it's better. Sometimes your skin color changes. During the winter it's a bit lighter, during the summer it's a bit darker, you know. So I like color foundation because it's easy to remove. I can play around with it easier. So yeah, I just prefer using foundation compared to maybe like a tint or so. So yes, step one, gel your hair back. Step two, put your color foundation inside the lace and blow dry it before. Don't apply it afterwards because it's going to look cakey. Okay, cool. So you can see it is a closure wig. Guys, this video does not have any filter. I did this so that it can be as raw as possible so that you guys can see what the real is. I would never want to trick you guys with filters and stuff. So yeah, this is raw footage. So today what we're going to be using is our ebin spray, this black one. It comes in this black thing. You can find this at Discam or Clicks. I think they sell it on Takealot as well, but then I just prefer to buy from Discam and Clicks. And guys, I do not recommend that you buy from China malls and stuff because it could be counterfeit. So as you can see, I'm wearing gloves. This is just a side tip that you can wear gloves if you don't want your hands to be sticky from the spray or gel, whatever you're using to install. I always wear gloves. So yeah, I just spray. This is step number three. Spray the spray onto your edge brush, this time on the brush side. The reason we're doing it like this is because we don't want it to be messy. And also this step makes sure that when you put your wig on top, it sticks onto it. This is not glue, by the way, guys. It comes off really easily. Also, you can see where I'm applying it. I like to apply it in front of where my hairline starts. I don't like to apply it exactly where it starts just because I like the way it looks that way. This is just preference. You can put it in the front, at the back. Just don't overdo it, right to front or to back. I blow dried it using cool air. I did not use high heat, just cool air, and then I applied the lace on top. If you don't have a blow dryer, guys, it kind of makes this melting thing a little bit hard for you, because you do need the blow dryer to do step 4. Step 4 is where we're going to make sure that it's melted. We're going to make sure that the lace disappears. Step 4 is the most important part. You cannot miss step 4, guys. Step 4, if you miss it, then your lace isn't going to be giving tea the way it should be giving tea, right? So you see these parts I'm pointing at? Those are the parts that we're going to go in with the spray and blow dryer. So you just spray that small section. Don't do the whole section at once. Spray the small section, take your comb and your blow dryer, and then just press down your lace using your comb and your blow dryer on a cool setting. So I'm on the coolest setting right now, blow drying that section while I press the hair down. See, I'm pressing it down, and as I'm doing that, the lace is literally disappearing, guys. That's why I love this method, because it's fast, it's easy, and it makes your lace literally disappear as if you did a glue install. Look at that, guys, it's disappearing. So yeah, you can just press it down also with your finger or anything else. Just make sure whatever you're using to press it down is not sticky, so that it doesn't create white residue. So yeah, guys, you just press it down and blow dry. Literally, that's the secret. Number 4 is the secret. And we're going to do this on all the parts that we feel like they need some melting, right? So you see also here along this edge piece, it needs a little bit of melting. Make sure you don't get some product into your eyes like I almost did there. So yeah, I'm just spraying a bit there, guys, and then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on cool setting and press it down with a comb, just like that, you know. Step number 5, guys, the last step, is to put your elastic band and tie it tightly. This is what's going to help you keep it on for the next few days or a week if you want it for that long on. So this is what will help you keep that install long, even though it's not a glue install. So yeah, you just want to tie it tight, and then put your timer for about 15-20 minutes. The longer you have it on, the better. So what I'm going in and doing now is just defining the parting a little bit using a black pencil liner. So you can use like a eyebrow pencil or eyeliner, you know, just to make it darker. I used to use mascara as well. That works too. Now I'm going to use my wax stick just to make the hair on the top extra flat. I'm going to go in with my ebony hot comb from Discam and just make it flat at the top. So everything I'm doing now, guys, is just styling, because the most important parts are done now. All the important steps are done. Everything else that you're going to be doing now is just styling to your preference, whatever it is you might like. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, just making it as flat as possible. And then I'm going in with my color foundation again, just to fix any parts that I might have put the pencil on, the black pencil on. So I just want to go in and fix some of those areas so that the line is more crisp. This is another cool trick you can use to make your hair go upwards in the front. So you take holding spray and your edge brush or a comb, and you brush it in upwards. Then you use your blow dryer or your hot comb just to make it go up a bit more. You see the difference. So yeah, I'm just going to be combing it, you know, just using this time to do styling while we wait for it to melt. And then we are going to remove the band. So remember, 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes if you can, you know, leave the band on and then remove it. And look at that. See that, guys? It is eating. Is it not eating? It is eating. It's leaving no crumbs. Do you remember how it looked in the beginning, guys? Do you remember? Look how stunning it is right now. If you used too much product and you have product buildup on your lace, maybe a little bit of whiteness, take some wet wipes and just dab them. Dab it away. It's okay. Your wig is not going to go anywhere. Look how stunning this is. I am loving it, guys. I love doing this just because, you know, there's people who snatch wigs on the street. So I love a completely glueless wig, but then adding this spray just helps it so that it's not that easy to snatch off, because you just never know anymore in these streets, guys. It's just not safe. But I am so happy with the results. Look at that. And it's no glue, no 4 layers or anything like that. Just our 5-step easy method, guys. You just need to follow those steps and then you'll be good to go. So now we can take off our gloves so that we can go out there and start slaying. We need to slay. People need to see us, right? Look how good this is. It's looking so good. A lot of people thought this was a frontal, guys. So these are the wet wipes I was talking about, that you can just dab lightly on any pieces that you feel like are white or anything like that. So you just dab lightly and then any residue will come off and you are good to go, guys. How easy was that, right? It was so easy, right? If you guys have any questions, just comment below and I will answer them. Just comment there. And then if you have any recommendations of videos that you'd like me to do, whether it's these installing, different kinds of installing, maybe you want to know how to do a side part on a closure, just pop it down below. By the way, guys, I do have detailed videos on plucking, bleaching knots and whatnot. Just the link will be down in my bio as well, so that you can grab that. It's videos you can watch at any time. I also sell my supplier list. So this bomb hair is from my supplier. It looks so good. And the lace is tea, right, guys? Oh, I'm so in love. So yeah, guys, just click the links below. And yeah, I had so much fun. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Subscribe, like, you know, recommend to your friends. I'm going to be back with more tea, more juice for you guys, so that you can go out there and slay.